Shashe Rodmani,
Sure.
the guy,
Yeah.
sharp sharp. Can you please rate me out of 10?
Why should I rate you?
I just wanna know.
Eh?
I just wanna know Ricky Wela guy.
Me bra. Automobile. Oh, no.
You don't want cameras?
No.
Okay, at least rate me out of 10 if you then refit.
So what, man?
I just wanna know. At least le one sharp.
Telephone.
Okay, sharp. Couple of butisa. Okay, sharp. If Lori you had a daughter, yeah, would you allow me like to date her?
I don't know. I won't allow you because I don't even know your personality.
No, I'm a nice guy, as you can see.
No.
Like that's why I said like rate me out of 10 so that I can know which like give me guy.
No, maybe I can give you a 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. We should go to like
Yeah.
I want like date your daughter.
No, you don't stand a chance.
Ke shotang he. Nlukise ke shotang. Ko post ane. Din some more. Sharp sharp. Cut.